Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan nama saya Azhwal M. Abdul Haris dari kelas A. Baik, saya di sini akan mempresentasikan hasil dari PPT saya yang berjudul Chemistry in Geological Process. Baik, langsung pada introduksinya saja. Jadi, basic chemistry plays as a important role in geological process by providing an understanding the composition and the chemical reaction that occurs on Earth. Geochemistry, geochemistry, as a branch of science that combines chemistry and geology, allows research to understand geochemical cycles, mineral and natural resources such as oil and gas. Chemistry also helps in researching the material properties of the earth, determining the mineral content, and understanding the process of the rock formation and transformation, as well as the basic law of the chemistry that shows quantitative and qualitative relationships, while geology understands the various geological processes that occurs within the earth. The chemistry is the key to understanding the dynamic and the evolution of the geological system. Next. Okay, as we can see, number one, weathering and erosion process. One, chemical and soil relationship. Soil is a giant chemical system in which various chemical reaction that occurs continuously until a dynamic equilibrium condition is reached. By many example of the chemical reactions in the soil is the process of the decay or the decomposition of organic material that present of the fresh organic material remaining from the plants and the animals also, and human also in the soil that damp or a wet condition will be cause growth of the development and production of various types of enzymes by soil microorganism, and the process of the decay or decomposition of the organic material catalyzed by these enzymes, which ultimately produce cellulose nutrient that supply the need for the plant growing on it so that the plant can grow and developing perfectly. Two, reaction in soil. Soil chemical reactions that connect various from the element of in the soil. This chemical reaction consists the oxidation and comple, comple, reduction complexion and the complexions. The shit and the complexation, silation and decalation, precipitation and dissolution or dissolution, absorption that desorption, as well as the withering of the mineral material and the composition of the soil organic matters. And it is clear that soil chemical reaction that increase of the concentration of the free element of the structural element are disruption, dissolution, or dissolution of the secondary mineral material. Material also is a primary mineral materials. The composition of organic materials and redox reaction on the other hand, soil chemical reaction that reduce concentration of the free element to structural element are absorption, deposition, and precipitation and redox reaction. Okay. Three, chemical equilibrium in soil. Soil chemical reaction are generally controlled by concentration of the reactants and reaction product containing in the relevant soil chemical reaction. So, chemical reaction generally is run and quickly when the concentration of the reactant is high and the concentration of the reaction product is low. Chemical reaction will show down as the concentration of the reactants decrease and will be concentration of the reaction product increase. Chemical reaction can be accelerated by increasing the concentration of the reactants and de- and decreasing the concentration of the reaction product by involving the law of the mass action. This occurs both in the non-equilibrium soil chemical reaction such as weathering soil mineral and decomposition of the organic matter, as well as the equilibrium soil chemical reactions such as complexation and utilization, precipitation, and absorption on redox. Number two, number two is mineral formation. Number one, evaporation is a process that aims to concentrate a solution consisting of a violated solvent and non-violated solute. An evaporation is a tool that has to the function of changing all or part of the solvent from the liquid solution into vapor, leaving only a desert solution or thick. Also, evaporation process occurs when the air evaporates, leaving behind dissolved minerals such as a calcite or CaCO3, which is formed from the reaction of the calcium and carbonate in the air. So basically, they uh, like the like they are together. So they have the have the have the name like that. Two, hydrothermal. Hydrothermal fluid can be defined as hot as 15 degrees to 5 to minus 15 degree to 500 Celsius degrees. Aqueous solutions containing solutes that are commonly percip- precipitated as the solution changes its properties in space and time. It must be pointed as the outset of the term fluid and solution are used interchangeability. Although fluid sensu stricto refers to a phase that's supercritical temperature, which is a liquid, no longer exists. Chemical oxidation. Chemical oxidation, sorry, chemical oxidation process play several important role in the treatment of the drinking water. Chemical oxidation are used for the oxidation of the reduced inorganic species, such as the ferrous iron Fe, Fe2, magnesium, M, Mn2, and sulfate 5 2, and the hazardous synthetic organic compound as such as the tricolo, tricolorin, trichloroethylene or TCE as the androgen oxidants can also be used by destroy tests and odor causing compound of the eliminated color. In addition, in some cases, they might improve the process of or reduce the required amount of of the coagulants. Okay, number three, rock cycle. Rock cycle consists of the mineral which is are natural inorganic solids with certain chemical composition and a characteristic crystal structure. One of the mineral commonly produced from the volcanic process is quartz. Quartz is a mineral whose main composition is a silica rocks and is a common minerals that we found in this in this world, like the common minerals that we found. Quartz also is a mineral whose main composition is in silica rocks formed from the volcanic process and taking place near the Earth's surface. The volcanic process that forms rocks on the Earth's surface is called the rock cycle. So it's basically the cycle, like the cycle of habitats. But rock also can have a cycle. So rock cycle also begins with a melting process in the Earth's layer within the produce of the magma. Magma is the release of the Earth's surface will form three rocks, namely igneous and sedimentary and metamorphic rock. There's a three types rock that exist in this world, and it's called igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rock. So, so this rock is is uh, is come with a cycle. This cycle does not allow follow to path as the sedimentary rocks can wither and form the new sediment metamorphic rock that can be sedimentary rocks or igneous rock that metamorphose so can complete that a complete rock cycle process. For the example of the rock cycle, I will show you in the next slide. So here the rock cycle image. Yeah, you can see this. The cycle is always um continues. It can stop. It always continues, and it will go through. You can stop this. So for the example, like if we see this is magma. Yes, this is magma. The magma is formed of volcanic eruption. So it's uh, for example, it's like it's blow up and spread magma in in the surface of the earth. So uh, the magma is the magma is processed by the igneous rock being cooled and turned into igneous rock. Igneous rock, it took time to get the paste to sedimentary rock, and sedimentary rock also needs time to evolve. It's not evolve, uh, evolve. I don't know. That's what I mean. Evolve. Okay, evolve to metamorphic rock, but also we know that metamorphic rock can also become magma again. Be magma again. They're not. They not just like can be uh, uh, to be sedimentary rock again. They also can be magma again. Also, like sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock also can be magma again. So like the cycle is like it's ongoing like that. Yeah, you can have igneous rock that can be metamorphic rock also. Instead, like they don't go to the process to sedimentary rock. So that's it. the rock cycle image that I want to show you. So next, for samples case. Okay, there's a three sample case that we found in the mineral rock and the study of the chemical. So one, mineral and rock research, chemical analyze such as the isotopes and spec in the spectroscopy are used to determine the composition and the origin of mineral and rocks on Earth. Two, study of the chemical properties of the Earth materials. Geologists study the chemical properties of a material such as petroleum and metals to understand their characteristic and exploitation potential. Three, determination of the age of the fossil. The carbon the carbon minus 14 radioisotope method is the used to determine the age of the fossil, helping into understanding geological history. Next, five, last, it, the title is about challenge and a solution. Sorry, I have don't translate into the uh, English, so I'm going to translate it also right now. So so the geologist is trying to uh, geologist is faced the uh, uh, okay, I think that's what I'm going to presentate is uh, this is the reference that I find in the journal. Okay, you can see, and thank you very much to watch this. I can really say much, but uh, thank you for watching my videos presentation, and I hope this video presentation will help you guys to find uh, find the answer that you're looking for. So it's end for me. Uh, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.